Magandang hapon mga kasama, nandito ako ngayon sa Philippine Navy. Ito yung mga kasama, ito yung view dito sa Philippine Navy.
As a general line officer, you must meet the following qualifications. Perfumery nurse, medical technologist, psychologist, physical therapist, or other technical professional of the same level.
Ito yung mga baril mga kasama lalakas.
You must meet the following qualifications.
Sulitin ang bawat pagkakataon.
Yeah.
Dentist, veterinarian, electrical,
Mga magasin. Ito yung magasin.
the following qualifications.
Boss, pwede picturean?
Sa Navy ito mga kasama. Yan, mga uniform nila Navy.
Apply in the Philippine Coast Guard Service if you are
Dito yung mga baril. Oh. Ito naman yung uniforme ng Marinos. Yan, Navy.
interested in joining the ranks as a commission ship applicant. Please prepare the following documentary requirements. If you are interested in joining the ranks as a non-officer applicant, prepare all necessary documentary requirements and await the official date of online registration. Follow the Coast Guard Human Resource Management Command official
Ito
Facebook
naman tayo sa
page
Coast Guard.
for announcements regarding the complete details of the application submission date.
Ito, mga Coast
For
Guard
any
din.
irregularities in the application process, applicants may report to the following channels. Be a Coast Guardian. Join the Philippine Coast Guard. Thank you for watching. Follow us on our social media accounts for more updates and the latest happenings regarding the 2024
Mga Coast Guard din yan mga kasama. Yung mga baril pa rito.
The Philippine Coast Guard is an armed and uniformed maritime service under the Department of
Yan, mga
Transportation. Is a guardian of the sea. The PCG is responsible for upholding maritime security, maritime law enforcement, maritime safety, maritime search and rescue, and marine environmental protection. Its maritime security operations focus on the country's expanded presence in its exclusive economic zones, including the West Philippine Sea, Benham Rise in the eastern Philippines, and the borders in southern Philippines. The PCG is also tasked to implement security measures in ports, harbors, and on-board vessels. It manages sea marshal program composed of security forces from police and Coast Guard units to safeguard
Dito naman yung K9.
traveling with cats.
Yung mga may aso.
This is
K9.
implemented on the PCG's
K9 yung batalyon. K9 yung batalyon. Ayan, mga taga K9. Dito naman yung Reserve Command, Philippine Army. Mga gustong mag-apply ng Philippine Army. Ito naman yung Philippine Air Force. Hukbong himpapawid ng Pilipinas. Ay, ma'am. Force. Ito Air Force din. Yes, Air Force.
Picture po kayo.
Mamaya na sir.
Ay, sige po.
Racing mo itong mga vlog ko, vlog.
Vlogger po kayo.
Vlog.
Ano pong pangalan ng Facebook page?
Adolfo Escobar sir.
Adolfo Escobar.
Adolfo.
Adolfo Escobar. Apo.
Okay. Dito na naman tayo sa ano? Sa PNP shop. Tayo. Ito yung PNP shop. Mga shop yan. Ito yung tagaligtas yan. Philippine National Police Special Action Force. Ito siya. May barrel siya. Tapos yung mga baril ng ano, sa dito. Ang dami oh. Kaya dami. Ang gaganda oh. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan itong laki na ito. Sir, anong pangalan itong malaki? Anong pangalan yung malaki sa gilid na yun, sir? Yun.
Yan yung Master AGL automatic grenade launcher.
Automatic grenade.
Launcher.
Sige po. Ito mga sap. Doon may tugtog. Ito. Para makita sa vlog nito. Ito. Armed Forces of the sa Philippine Army pa ito mga kasama. 701st Philcom Signal Battalion. Ito sa communication to. Yan. Yan sila.
Touch monkey naman, touch monkey.
Thank you very much guys and ladies sa panonood sa aking vlog. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.